Welcome back to my Forex journey. And today I'm going to discuss a bit about USTEC, NASDAQ 100. And I've been trading this since June. And I'm going to explain a few things in regards to trading this particular index. First of all, you need to know that USTEC has got a very high trading volume. There's a lot of volatility, which means that there's a lot of opportunities. For my case, I'm a day trader, so I look for day trading opportunities. I'm trying to make on average $100 or more per day, and you have to be aware of certain things. One of the things is when you're trading US tech, one thing you need to understand is the volatility. It's very volatile, extremely volatile, which means there's a lot of opportunity. But at the same time, due to the volatility, you have to understand that you can also find yourself in a situation, if you're on the wrong side of the trend, you can find yourself in like hot waters. That's what I call it. Because if you have a bad analysis and you don't have a good risk management, I would not recommend you trading this stock index. Stick to Euro USD, because I've considered US Tech 100 advanced for advanced traders. That's my belief. Okay, it's my opinion. And when it comes to trading this, you also need to have a substantial capital. I probably say 3 to 5K. That should be a starter. And you should have you should also understand that when you're trading this particular index, you need to pay attention to economic indicators. You got to keep an eye on interest rate, employment data, GDP reports, and also news headline in terms of earning reports for like major companies in the NASDAQ, because these can sway the index prices. Either it can go really up, the price goes up, or the price will go down. So bear that in mind. Also, if you're going to use leverage, understand that your leverage can amplify your gains, but at the same time, it can also amplify your losses. So my advice to you is, if you're going to use that into your strategy, you have using leverage, make sure you use a good risk management. Okay, you cannot trade US tech without a good risk management. You're gonna get yourself in hot water simply because without risk management, there's no trading strategy. You're just basically gambling. So make sure you always use a good risk management when trading. So now I'm gonna showcase you guys my results. I've been trading since June. This particular stock index, I was sort of I tried to trade it last year, but I didn't really get into it. But this year, I started in June, and now I'm gonna show you guys my results. All right, so these are my results since June. Okay, this is since June this year, and these are the results. I'm gonna just scroll down so you can see all of them. Okay, so $3,000 account made a profit of 5,275, and I'm gonna give you a bit of statistics. I've had literally 80% win rate when it comes to these trades. I've had 30 wins consecutive. I've had 2 consecutive losses actually, just to refine that. And yeah, in terms of trading this, you have to be careful because sometimes your floating drawdown can get, depending on your risk management, it can go really high. So I've had floating drawdown that went up to 5 to 10% of my account, but I wasn't worried about that because my analysis was on point, and also I believe in my risk management. Trading US Tech is profitable in my situation. I mean, I find that this particular index, it's for advanced traders. That's what I believe. I believe that anybody who wants to trade this needs to have advanced skills and advanced analysis, because you can't just get into US Tech and trade it like you're trading like Euro USD. It's not the same. And the one thing I say, I love trading this because of the high trading volume. There's always opportunities every day. That's what I'm trying to say. One key thing I'm gonna give you guys as a tip, if you're going to trade this particular index, is don't hold position over the weekend. I made a mistake when I started this, was to hold a position over the weekend and just to have a huge gap on the Monday morning, and that's basically what enabled me to get better with this US Tech. It was just a silly mistake that I made. I forgot to close a position and it just went over the weekend. position was in profit, woke up on Monday morning, the position was in negative. That's to just give you an overview of what happened. So yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna discuss today. And check out my previous videos. I have also good information on a different topic, and I'm gonna post more information on this channel and get you guys all the way I trade, okay, and see my results. I have nothing, I'm very transparent when it comes to these. And if you enjoy what you're seeing, just come back next time and we keep doing what we do.